We've got fans in the audience. Are you limbered up? Are you all right? You fine? Okay. Now, just before you throw, we just for health and safety reasons, we have a little bit of footage here. Just want you to be careful when you are throwing. We'll go to it. Yes, there we are. Careful. Paper cuts are rather nasty, and also don't light your afterburners because they might go off. And be careful where you throw them. You want to be accurate, and don't follow your plane because that could be nasty too. Bruce, good luck.